Hello everyone, I am Mank and welcome to our deep dive into Claude 3.5 Sonnet video. Anthropic recently launched its newest AI model that's smarter, faster, and better at tackling complex tasks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet brings big improvements in problem solving, coding, and even understanding humor and subtle language. It's now twice as fast as previous models, making it perfect for tasks like customer support and managing multi-step workflows, all at a lower cost. For developers, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is a game changer. In coding tests, it solved 64% of challenges on its own, beating the older Claude model, which managed 38%. This means Claude can help you debug, write, and update code with just few prompts. It is also great at translating old code into new formats, ideal for projects involving older applications. Claude 3.5 Sonnet also excels at visual tasks. It can read charts, graph, and even blurry text from images. Perfect for fields like retail and finance, where visual often carry important data. Anthropic has also introduced a new feature called artifacts on Claude.ai. Artifacts allow Claude to share substantial, standalone content with you in dedicated windows separate from the main conversation. Artifact make it easy to work with significant pieces of content that you want to modify, build upon, or reference later. This feature lets you view and edit the content Claude creates, like code snippets or documents, in real time. Artifacts turn Claude from just a chatbot into a full-on workspace, where teams can collaborate on projects with AI's help. Safety and privacy are top priorities for Anthropic. Claude 3.5 Sonnet went through strict testing with external experts to reduce risk of misuse. They also ensure user data is not used for training unless given a specific permission, keeping your information secure. Looking ahead, Anthropic plans to release more models in the Claude 3.5 family with new features like memory, which will let Claude remember your preference over time for an even more personalized experience. They are also adding features for business users, making Claude even more helpful for a variety of tasks. So now theory part is done. I will run a series of complex prompts, coding tests, and reasoning challenges to see if Claude 3.5 Sonnet really lives up to the hype as the best AI model out there. So before jumping into demo part, here is a quick info for you. Dive into the future of AI with Purdue Applied Generative AI Specialization course. This Applied Generative AI course will equip you with the skills to deploy generative AI techniques in real-world scenarios. You will build a holistic understanding of applied generative AI, from mastering concepts like GANs, VAE, and prompt engineering to exploring advanced topics like LLM application development, RAG, and fine-tuning. Gain a competitive edge with hands-on learning in the transformative arena of generative AI. Master prompt engineering, LLM's attention mechanism, fine-tuning techniques, and LLM application development. Find the course link from the description box below and the pinned comment. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So welcome to this demo part of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So as we know, like in market, generative AI and LLMs models are like many. Like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity is there. So these tools are great for content creation, rephrasing text, and you can say simplifying your work in many ways. Okay, but Claude 3.5 Sonnet is not just good at content creation or rephrasing. So it is excellent in coding, logical reasoning, and solving complex problem. and it is very intelligent at the same time. Okay, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is very super smart and perfect for tasks that need more brain power. Okay, so in this part we will explore some logical reasoning questions and coding questions, okay, by giving the prompt. So let's start first. So now we will start with one logical reasoning question like how many S are in word success. Okay, see, there are three letters in the word success. Okay, so now the next question will be which is greater, point 1 or point 0.11. Okay, okay, great spelling. Yeah, so see, let me compare these numbers step by step. First, let's line up decimal and add a 0 to make easier to compare. 0, okay, we can easily see, therefore 0.11 is greater than 0.1. Okay, so now one interesting question, let me ask, like which, this is, you can say, a logical or philosophical question. Okay, which came first, chicken or egg? Okay, now let's see, this is an intriguing evolutionary question. The technical correct answer is that eggs came first. Here is why. Okay, birds evolved from reptilian ancestor, and the amniotic egg, the type of egg that birds lay, existed long before chicken evolved. Okay, the first, this is 340 million ago. Okay, so now let me ask, how many words are there in your response? Okay, it will count. Let's see how beautifully it's counting, but we will cross check, don't worry. Okay, in word counter we'll cross check. Okay, 144 words are there, so let me copy it and I will write word counter. 143 words, and it is saying 144 words. Okay, let me see in docs. 143 words. I don't know why okay, I don't know why it's saying 144 words, but in docs also it's showing 143 words, and here also 143 words it's showing. I don't know why. Leave it. Okay, fine. So now so we can say this logical reasoning and analytical reasoning is very good of this particular, you can say, model of Claude, okay, Sonnet. Then I will write, I want this game in Python code so I can run on my Jupyter notebook. Okay, it's implementing. It's very fast. Till then, let me open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook. Open new. Yeah. So please give me the code. Okay, let me copy the code and paste it here, and let me try to run shift plus enter by game 2.4. What is this? Okay, let me ask this to Claude. Okay, I have see you have successfully installed Pygame. Did you try running the game with play Tetris if you are getting any specific error? Yep, install ipympl. Okay, first let me install this. Okay, I will use command prompt for this. pip install okay, it's already installed. Cool. So what I will do, I will run it again. What is this thing play Tetris? Okay, let me copy. Okay, it's running. Or we can ask it, okay, give me code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Till then, let me try this. Okay, it's loading, it's taking time. See, webcam start. See how cool it is. Okay, how I can see in this full. Let's do. See, this is why I love Claude 3.5. Okay, at the end it will show you the game over option. See, game over. Then again you can start the new game. So this is how you can create your own games, own apps in like few minutes, in just few minutes, and you can ask anything to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So this is why Claude 3.5 Sonnet is very intelligent, very fast in coding, logical reasoning, content creation, and everything. Okay, but if you don't have the pro version or subscription, you can say, so you will get some you know, less tokens. Okay, or you can say you can do less chat with Claude 3.5. Fine. So with this, we have come to end of this video. If you have any question or doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.